The United States is ready to begin a complete blockade of Cuba. Against the background of large-scale protests in Cuba, which the army has already been involved in suppressing, it became known that the United States plans to send its warships to the coast of Cuba, the main task of which will be to blockade the island in order to prevent any external interference. This, in particular, is probably about the provision of assistance by the Russian side. Washington is extremely interested in a forceful seizure of power in Cuba, since this will significantly increase the influence of the United States and provide protection against the possible deployment of Russian military bases, tactical and strategic weapons on the island. According to analysts, the cause of the protests in Cuba may have been US intervention. After the departure from the post of the head of the country Raul Castro, the situation in all areas of the country really worsened. The deployment of American warships off the coast of Cuba can not only significantly aggravate the situation on the island's territory, but also allow Washington to arrange a blockade of Cuba. The Russian side has not yet given an assessment of what is happening in Cuba. However, in the event of a request from Havana, Russian military specialists may well go to Freedom Island. Thank you everyone for watching this video.